Welcome back to my channel Rush Art Prep. Today we are going to deal with median under discrete series. So let's take a look at what is the formula to calculate median under discrete series. So m equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So under individual series n was number of items. So here when it comes to discrete series, n becomes the total of the frequencies. Okay, so frequency column total is denoted using n. Okay, one new thing that occurs here, the primary rule that data should be arranged in ascending or descending order. This rule remains the same. The extra calculation that you will be doing in a problem related to median is calculation of cumulative frequency. So here we denote it using CF. It is known as cumulative frequency. For example, if I have the numbers like 2, 4, 5, 3 and 6. Okay, so this is the frequency given to me in the question. If I have to convert this into cumulative frequency, then how do I convert? Okay, so here the first number 2 remains the same. Then we add 2 plus 4 which is 6, 6 plus 5 which is 11 and 11 plus 3 which is 14 and 14 plus 6 which is 20. Okay, there is a small trick as to how you can know whether your cumulative frequency is correct or not. Okay, so here the total of this column, if you do 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 5 17, 18 19 20. So if you notice, the total of the frequency column and the last digit which is inside the CF column should match to each other, which indicates that these calculations are correct and you did not make any error while adding the numbers. So this is how cumulative frequency is calculated. Let's get into the example of a discrete series problem. So here I have the question: from the following data, find the value of median, income and number of persons is given to you. The first thing what you need to do is you need to arrange this data in ascending or descending order. So now let me name income as X and number of persons as F. So now X column and F column. Let's look at what is the lowest number in X. Okay, so if you look at the lowest number, you have 90 as the lowest number. So these numbers are pair. For 90 the frequency will be 16. So if you move 90, you will be moving 16 along with it. So after 90, the next highest number is 120. Okay, so now for 120, the corresponding frequency is 24. Then you have 160 and the corresponding frequency is 26. Then you have 190 against 30. Then 220 which is 20 and 260 which is 6. Okay, so this is how you will be arranging your data. Okay, now we will be calculating the cumulative frequency for this particular frequency column. So here I will put the heading as CF, and then 16 is my first value which I will be putting it as the same. Then 16 plus 24 I will be getting 40. Then 40 plus 26 I have 66. Then 76, 86 and 96. Then 96 plus 20 I have 116. Then 116 plus 6 I have 122. So now let me calculate the total of n. So here the total will be 122. So I have the matching figure of both of these values. That means my cumulative frequency calculation is correct. Now let's look at the formula application. Okay, so here m equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So here size of n, which is 122, divided by 2. So here I'll be writing it as 123 divided by 2, which gives me an answer of 61.5th item. So now you should be locating a value which is either equal to 61.5 or more than 61.5. So either it should be equal or greater. So now let's look at the CF column to locate this particular thing. So up to 40, everything is less than 61. So 66 is something which is more than 61.5. So here we will be locating our median at the 66th value. Okay, so this will be known as our class where the median lies. So median class. Okay, now for 66, the corresponding value in X column is 160. So this 160 will be our median. So we will be writing a statement. Therefore, the size of 61.5th item is 160. So this is how you will be solving a problem related to median discrete series. So please take a look at the practice problems. Like you can calculate both of these and verify your answers, which are given in red colored ink. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rush Arc Prep. Do post your doubts in the form of comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching.